inspection sa San Juanico Bridge. Malaki pala yung ginastos dito kasi hindi napapalo up o hindi talaga na-maintain every 3 years ng mga administrator.
Nakabalik na tayo rito sa San Juanico Bridge at dahil kung maalala ninyo nung unang sinara ito at ginawang limitado ang traffic dito sa San Juanico Bridge. Mabuti naman medyo na pabilis ang trabaho at ngayon pwede na natin buksan ito for 15 tons na truck. Dati hindi nakatawid, kailangan pa mag-roro at umikot sa mga ibang port na ginawa natin. Ayun, yung malalaki na lang ang kailangan pa sumakay sa barko. We are hoping for a total return of the bridge's function to allow 33 tons two ways. Hopefully by the middle of next year, third quarter of next year, fully functional na ito. I hope that this serves as a lesson to all future administrators. We would not have to do any of this kung yung every 3 years ini-inspeksyon, inaayos, constant and regular maintenance ang gagawin. That is what's the most important lesson I think that we should all learn from this. But I'm very happy that I'm able to say now it is very close to our deadline, and so the San Juanico Bridge is partially finished. It will be finished next year.
Proyekto pa ito ng Bulacan. Marcos Sr. Walang kurakot.